Love served generously, a tribute to the matriarchs of nourishment. This book is in honor of a grandmother and her daughters and their daughters, whose unwavering love united several families in love and the food they created. Patty, Rosanna, Luella, Edna, Clotilde, Ashley, Dezul Ia, Bertha, Mary Agnes, Linda T, Edna, Marie, Mary Esther, Linda J, Gladys, Donette, Gwendolyn, Sevilla, Drusilla, Sheila, Tisanya, Nisha, Chantandria, Veronica, Lawana. There lived a little girl named Sheshe. She loved to eat, that was no surprise, but her favorite food was a soulful surprise. When she was little, it was the food her grandma would make. From recipes passed down, with love make no mistake. Collard greens, cornbread and mac and cheese, fried chicken, yams and black-eyed peas. Sheshe's grandma Asli was a master in the kitchen. With each dish, there was love and affection. She taught Sheshe the recipes and the tricks, so she too could make soul food that sticks. One day, Sheshe decided to have a feast. She invited her friends. It would be a treat. She cooked up a storm with all her might, and the smells of the food filled the air that night. Her friends arrived with their bellies empty, but when they saw the spread, there was plenty. Fried chicken, collard greens and mac and cheese, cornbread, yams and black-eyed peas. They ate until they could eat no more. And then they asked for recipes galore. Sheshe shared with pride the secrets of the trade, and her friends were amazed at the food they had made. From that day on, Sheshe's soul food was famous. Her friends would come over, and the food was outrageous. She had learned from her grandma, the master of soul, and now she shared it with others. It was her goal. So if you're ever hungry for something hearty and warm, look no further than soul food. It will transform your taste buds, your heart, and your soul, and you'll understand why it's food that makes us whole. Why is soul food so important? In echoes of old ancestral lore, a gift emerges forevermore. From the depths of time, it gently calls, a feast of nourishment our souls enthralls. Soul food, a treasure, passed down with grace, born on the whispers of a distant place, rooted in heritage, rich and profound, a taste of history forever renowned. In pots and pans seasoned love is found, a symphony of flavors, profound and profound. With each savory bite a story unfolds, resilience and strength the tale it beholds, from cornbread's warmth to collard's embrace, the taste of tradition forever in space. Gumbo's rhythm dances on our tongues, jambalayas melody where memories are strung. Oh, the aroma that fills the air, as spices intertwine, a legacy to share. Through fried chicken's golden crispy skin, our ancestors' whispers, a sweet hymn. Sweet potato pie, a slice of solace, as love and sweetness melt upon our palate's surface. And as we savor, we're bound together, a celebration of roots no matter the weather. Soul food, a gift from those who came before. Their presence lingers forevermore. In each bite, a taste of their sacrifice, an homage to their spirit, a delicious vice. So let us gather, hand in hand, and honor the past across this land. With every meal, let gratitude arise. For soul food, a blessing from the ancestors' ties,